Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Go ahead and watch the full video. Please subscribe when you're done. I'm gonna make that Haitian food. Welcome again. Watch the whole video. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to make Haitian fish, store fish. So I'm gonna show you how to make Haitian store fish, like a sauce fish. Cause you see that, cause it's been in the store for a while. So um I'm gonna show you how to do it, but I already prepared the fish and then I did some Haitian spice. I can show you guys how to do it because I have some. I think I made it yesterday or the day before yesterday. So I already cleaned my fish and then I add the spice to it, and then I add that's a sweet pepper, that's a little bit of onion, and that's a this is green pepper, but that's a spicy green pepper. This one was a sweet one, and then I add spice to it. Now I'm gonna show you how to make it. So I use olive oil because I love olive oil. If you watch my previous video how to make the rice, so that will tell you how I like olive oil. So I'm gonna add the oil to it. It's really hot, that's why it's going like that. So I like to add tomato paste to my sauce. So but I like it cooked, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that to it. I'm gonna let it cook. It's very hot because I let it cook very hot. So I was making some rice. So if you see my stove is a little bit a mess, it's because of the beans, because I was making a black beans and rice, so that's why. But right now, I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce. So if you wanna watch how to make the rice, just watch my next video, and then you will see how to make the rice. So right now I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it, so my tomato paste can be cooked. So I'm gonna make sure it's cooked well, because I like it to be cooked. So add a little bit of water to it again. I put the stove down, so that's why it started to look good, to look different. It looked like it was so much of it. It's because I add the water to it, and it make it look like it was so much of it. But it's because the water it just makes it up. So I'm trying to cook it. So this is how it looks like right now. I love coconut milk. I add coconut milk on my rice. I add coconut milk on my everything I'm doing, all the cooking, I add coconut milk to it because I like it. So I'm gonna add a little bit, and not that much. I don't put that much. I just put a little bit. See, that's enough. So I'm just gonna let it cook with the tomato paste, this little blender. And this is my fish. So I'm gonna add my fish to it. Just add my fish. The fish looks good, right? The thing is, I do a lot of food because I'm in the house by myself and my daughter, but I have my cousins and I have friends who like my cooking, so I usually make enough so I share. So that's why I'm making so much. And then I add the marinade and everything to it. Look. So I add a little bit of lemon to it. So I mix it. You can shake the pan or anything, but I just try to mix it. I just try to make everything. See, it's already making water by itself. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, not that much. So a little bit of water. I add a little bit of water to it, because the fish is not hard, so it should be good enough. So, and then it's gonna make water by itself, so you don't want to add too much water to it, and then um so it come no with no taste or anything. So since I already have everything on it right now, basically I'm just adding a little bit more of water. That's enough. I add too much water. um then I put a little bit of butter to it, because I like that butter. This is the butter I use. That's why it looks different. This is the butter I use because I love that butter. But you'll find it only this Caribbean store. And it's a Haitian butter. It's called tamales. It's very good. It's thick, but it's very good. I love it. So I usually buy it. But if not, that's the other butter has Haitian we use. If we don't use tamales, so this is the other butter we use in our food. So you can buy that butter and add it to your food. But right now, because I have this one, I add this one because this is my favorite. So right now I'm gonna let it boil. It's already looking good. You see how good I look? It's already looking good. So it's gonna make water by itself. So you don't have to add too much water to it. It's gonna make the sauce by itself. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and let it boil. So I'm gonna put the cover on top of it. So I'm just gonna let it boil, then I'll show you guys later. This is how you make another one. This is how it come out. So I add onion to it, and that's it. It looks so good. It tastes very good. So if you have another way of making them, leave me a comment in the post, and then if you have any question, go ahead, ask me any question you want. But this is the way of making it. It tastes very good, and it look good too, as you can see. So you guys have a great day. God bless you.